Welcome students. In this video you'll learn powerful phrases across 20 topics, from expressing emotions to closing conversations. Let's get started and boost your English speaking skills. I feel ecstatic about the news. I feel ecstatic about the news. I'm really disappointed with the outcome. I'm really disappointed with the outcome. I'm over the moon with excitement. I'm over the moon with excitement. I'm deeply saddened by the events. I'm deeply saddened by the events. I'm thrilled to be a part of this. I'm thrilled to be a part of this. In my opinion, this project is worth pursuing. In my opinion, this project is worth pursuing. I believe that we can achieve our goals. I believe that we can achieve our goals. From my perspective, this approach is the best. From my perspective, this approach is the best. I feel strongly that we should take action now. I feel strongly that we should take action now. It seems to me that this plan has potential. It seems to me that this plan has potential. I completely agree with your assessment. I completely agree with your assessment. I couldn't agree more with your statement. I couldn't agree more with your statement. That's a valid point you made earlier. That's a valid point you made earlier. I beg to differ with your conclusion. I beg to differ with your conclusion. I respectfully disagree with your suggestion. I respectfully disagree with your suggestion. Could you clarify that last point? Could you clarify that last point? What do you mean by immediate action? What do you mean by immediate action? Can you elaborate on the benefits of this plan? Can you elaborate on the benefits of this plan? I'm not sure I understand your proposal. I'm not sure I understand your proposal. Could you explain that in more detail, please? Could you explain that in more detail, please? Could you please send me the report? Could you please send me the report? Would you mind helping me with this task? Would you mind helping me with this task? I would appreciate it if you could review this document. I would appreciate it if you could review this document. Could I ask you to join the meeting tomorrow? Could I ask you to join the meeting tomorrow? Would it be possible to extend the deadline? Would it be possible to extend the deadline? How can I assist you with this project? How can I assist you with this project? Is there anything I can do to help you? Is there anything I can do to help you? Let me know if you need anything else. Let me know if you need anything else. I'm here to help with any issues you have. I'm here to help with any issues you have. If you need any assistance, just ask. If you need any assistance, just ask. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate your hard work. I really appreciate your hard work. I'm very grateful for your assistance. I'm very grateful for your assistance. Thanks a million for the help. Thanks a million for the help. I can't thank you enough for your kindness. I can't thank you enough for your kindness. I'm sorry for the inconvenience this may have caused. I'm sorry for the inconvenience this may have caused. Please accept my apologies for the delay. Please accept my apologies for the delay. I apologize for any trouble caused by this mistake. I apologize for any trouble caused by this mistake. I'm deeply sorry for my oversight. I'm deeply sorry for my oversight. I take full responsibility for the error. I take full responsibility for the error. You did a great job on the presentation. You did a great job on the presentation. That was impressive work you did. That was impressive work you did. I'm really impressed with your skills. I'm really impressed with your skills. You have a talent for solving problems. You have a talent for solving problems. Well done on completing the project ahead of schedule. Well done on completing the project ahead of schedule. Keep up the good work. You're doing fantastic. Keep up the good work. You're doing fantastic. You're doing amazing. Don't stop now. You're doing amazing. Don't stop now. Don't give up. You're almost there. Don't give up. You're almost there. I believe in you and your abilities. I believe in you and your abilities. You've got this. Keep pushing forward. You've got this. Keep pushing forward. I'm absolutely sure this will work. I'm absolutely sure this will work. Without a doubt, this is the right path. Without a doubt, this is the right path. I'm convinced that we can succeed. I'm convinced that we can succeed. I'm not certain about the outcome. I'm not certain about the outcome. I'm not sure about that decision. I'm not sure about that decision. How about we try a different approach? How about we try a different approach? Why don't we discuss this further? Why don't we discuss this further? I suggest that we start the project now. I suggest that we start the project now. It might be a good idea to gather more data. It might be a good idea to gather more data. Have you considered asking for feedback? Have you considered asking for feedback? I regret that we couldn't meet the deadline. I regret that we couldn't meet the deadline. I wish I could have helped you more. I wish I could have helped you more. If only I had known earlier. If only I had known earlier. I should have been more careful. I should have been more careful. I'm sorry that things turned out this way. I'm sorry that things turned out this way. You should try to stay focused on your goals. You should try to stay focused on your goals. My advice would be to prepare in advance. My advice would be to prepare in advance. It might help to break the task into smaller parts. It might help to break the task into smaller parts. If I were you, I would talk to a mentor. If I were you, I would talk to a mentor. Have you thought about taking a short break? Have you thought about taking a short break? Exactly. That's what I was thinking. Exactly. That's what I was thinking. That's right. I completely agree. That's right. I completely agree. Absolutely. You're spot on. Absolutely. You're spot on. I think so too. We should proceed. I think so too. We should proceed. We're on the same page about this. We're on the same page about this. I don't think so. We need more information. I don't think so. We need more information. I'm not sure about that. Let's reconsider. I'm not sure about that. Let's reconsider. That's not how I see it. There are other factors. That's not how I see it. There are other factors. I see things differently. Let's discuss further. I see things differently. Let's discuss further. We have different opinions on this matter. We have different opinions on this matter. I've decided to accept the offer. I've decided to accept the offer. I'm going to start the project next week. I'm going to start the project next week. I've made up my mind to pursue this opportunity. I've made up my mind to pursue this opportunity. After careful consideration, I've chosen this path. After careful consideration, I've chosen this path. I've come to the conclusion that we should expand. I've come to the conclusion that we should expand. Personally, I think this is the best option. Personally, I think this is the best option. As far as I'm concerned, this plan is viable. As far as I'm concerned, this plan is viable. If you ask me, we should invest more resources. If you ask me, we should invest more resources. In my view, this strategy will succeed. In my view, this strategy will succeed. To my mind, collaboration is key. To my mind, collaboration is key. What do you think about this proposal? What do you think about this proposal? How do you feel about the new policy? How do you feel about the new policy? What's your opinion on the latest update? What's your opinion on the latest update? Do you agree with the suggested changes? Do you agree with the suggested changes? What's your take on the current situation? What's your take on the current situation? It was nice talking to you. Have a great day. It was nice talking to you. Have a great day. Let's catch up again soon and discuss further. Let's catch up again soon and discuss further. Take care and stay safe. Take care and stay safe. Have a great day and see you soon. Have a great day and see you soon. Until next time, take care. Until next time, take care.